Assalamualaikum students, welcome to your online class of subject maths. Children, today here we are revising the topics of lesson 1 numbers. So let's start. Pattern skip counting. Children, look at this series 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. After 6, 7 should come here, but here 7 is missing. And after 8, 9 should come here, but 9 is missing. Okay, after 10, 11 should come here, but 11 is missing. So this is the skip counting by 2. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Similarly, here we have some patterns. We have to identify them and we have to complete them. See, this is the pattern skip counting of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. You have to fill this missing numbers. You have to fill this missing number. And here this is the skip counting by 2. See, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. And this is the skip counting by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Okay, so practice these all patterns. Okay, next, bigger and smaller. Bigger and smaller. Children, you know that 25 is bigger than 9. Why? Because every 2-digit number is bigger than every 1-digit number. So 25 is bigger than 9. If both the numbers have 2 digits, suppose here we have 25 and here 65. You can see both the sides we have 2-digit number. So we have to compare its tens place numbers. Okay, you have to compare its tens place number. Now 6 is greater than 2. So 65 is greater than 25, or 25 is smaller than 65. Okay. Suppose we have same number on this place. Let's take 30 and 35. If we have both the numbers equal on the tens place, then we have to compare the numbers on ones place. So this 0 is less than 5. So 30 is less than 35. So this is the bigger and smaller. Now see here students, you have to count these beads and you have to put the correct sign. Okay, you have to compare this sign. And children, already you know that the open mouth is always towards the bigger number. The open mouth is always towards the bigger number. Okay, next we have ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. The numbers which are arranged from smaller to bigger, they are in ascending order. The numbers which are arranged in smaller to bigger, they are ascending order. And the numbers which are arranged from bigger to smaller, they are in descending order. Children, here we have the series of some numbers 44, 22, 11 and 33. So this we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but from smaller to bigger. From smaller to bigger. So which is the smallest number here? 11. Why? Because on tens place we have number 1. Then next we have 22. Because 22 is less than 33 and 44. Then next we have 33. Because 33 is less than 44. And the greatest number we have 44. This is the ascending order. This is the ascending order. Next, 14, 44, 11 and 41. Now we have to arrange them in descending order. Descending order is nothing but from bigger to smaller. From bigger to smaller. So here we have to check the bigger number first. Here 44 is bigger. Why? On the tens place we have two numbers with 4. So we are comparing on the ones place. So 44 is the bigger one. Next we have 41. Then 14. Why 14? Because on the ones place here we have 4 and here 1. 1 is less than 4. So 14. And then 11. Now students, this is your textbook. You have to practice this and you have to arrange them in ascending order, and this one is in descending order. Okay. Next, ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are used to indicate the position of an object. Okay. See, when objects are placed in order or one after the other, we use the ordinal numbers to indicate their position or places. Okay, they have different names to indicate the place of an object or a person. You can see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. Okay. Now the first month of the year is January, and the third month of the year is March, and the fourth month of the year is April. The sixth month of the year is June. Monday is the first day of the week. Tuesday is the second day of the week, and Wednesday is the third day of the week. Friday is the fifth day of the week. So children, practice the ordinal numbers. Okay, practice the ordinal numbers and be perfect in this all. Okay, and now you can see you have to match these balloons to the children. You have to match these balloons to the children. The fourth balloon to the ninth child, and the second balloon to the sixth child, and the fifth balloon to 10th child, the 8th balloon to the 7th child, and the first balloon to the 3rd child. Okay. Our next topic is forming numbers. Children, see here. Here we have the number 38 and 83. They are made up of same digits 3 and 8. They are made up of same digits 3 and 8. But are both the same? Are numbers both the same? No. Why? Because in this number 3 is on tens place, and in this number 3 is on ones place. Okay, and here 8 is on ones place, and in this number 8 is on tens place. Okay, similarly, to make the bigger number, we have to put the bigger digit in tens place. Suppose here we are taking the digits 4 and 7. To make the bigger number, we have to write the bigger digit at the tens place. So on the tens place I am writing 7 because 7 is greater than 4, and on the ones place I am writing 4 because 4 is smaller than 7. To make the smaller number, we have to write the smaller number on the tens place and bigger number on the ones place. Okay, so the bigger number is 74 and the smaller number is 47. If we make number with the digit 6 and then written twice on ones place and also on tens place, so we get the same number. See, we get the same number. Okay, because on the ones place also we have same, and on tens place also we have the same number, and this side also on ones place we have 6 and on tens place we have 6. Okay, now in your textbook you have given some digits. You have to make the smaller number and also bigger number, and you have to practice this all. Okay now students, thank you and be ready for the next class.